20 gorgeous places on Earth. Hey dear, thanks for watching. But before we start, please hit that subscribe button to help us grow our channel. The universe has several fascinating sceneries that you can never expect to exist. Traveling the world can simultaneously be adventurous, exciting, and surprising due to the exposure to unimagined sights. Are you planning to kickstart your spirit of exploration? Or fascinated to know some gorgeous places on Earth to add to your travel list? Then you will be in awe of some of the world's mesmerizing places you never thought existed. From nature at its absolute best to breathtaking engineering projects, here is a countdown of the 20 most beautiful places the Earth hosts. Number 1. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Spanning a vast area of approximately 10,000 square kilometers, Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat. It transfigures into an enormous, ceaseless mirror after some fresh rain, reflecting the sky to give unmatched transparency. Salar de Uyuni's layout is equally impressive during summer, forming unending cracks on its surface. As a result, its uniqueness gives it the first spot on the list. Number 2. Torres del Paine, Patagonia, Chile. What a mouthful of a name, but a handful of remarkable natural beauties. Torres del Paine National Park houses several granite mountains and giant ice glaciers. Being a renowned national park, it shelters some of the world's rare wildlife breeds, including guanacos, pumas, and llamas. Most captivatingly, the scenery has 3 towering granite mountains with sundry heights that make them ideal for hiking. Number 3. Santorini, Greece. Being a country of several stunning islands, Greece's Santorini stands out from the rest. Thinking that the volcanic eruption way back in 16 BC would have ruined the island from existence, it perfectly wrought the isle into the rugged outlook it is today. The rich landscape makes it the best viewpoint of the bright blue Asian Sea. Sunsets are the best moments to experience with a single visit to Santorini. Be sure to watch in awe as the sun escapes the horizon. In addition to its numerous beautiful sceneries, Santorini's architectural wand of white concrete walls and blue roofs sums up its exceptional features. Number 4. Victoria Falls. Located on River Zambezi between Zambia and Zimbabwe's boundary, Victoria Falls is one of the world's largest waterfalls. Between February and May during rainy seasons, approximately 500 million cubic meters of water plunge into the gorge over 100 meters below. The Devil's Pool, as it is popularly known, stretches over 2 kilometers wide. A thunderous sound of water hitting the gorges can be heard miles away, which results in columns of spray causing an enormous smoke. It would be best if you never miss the experience of the falling water and splash sounds of the scenery. Number 5. The Grand Canyon Skywalk. The first engineering project to feature on the list, the Grand Canyon Skywalk is one of the ultimate architectural feats met. The skywalk sits above the Colorado River in Arizona, with a horseshoe shape and a glass walkway weighing 83,000 pounds. It elevates 4,777 feet above sea level. Additionally, it provides mesmeric sights of the Grand Canyon and the Colorado River. Since it is an engineering project, it is an exciting area to visit, observe, learn, and admire the various designs adopted. Number 6. Zhangye Danxia Geopark China. Commonly known as the Rainbow Mountains, Zhangye Geopark Mountains are of geological magic with numerous colors painted on top of the hill that mimics that of a rainbow. It is designated as one of China's most amazing places, occupying approximately 322 square kilometers. It was formed through the consolidation of layers of sedimentary rock piling over each other. Consequently, wind and rain erosion worked wonders to create otherworldly color patterns. Number 7. Bora Bora. A tiny South Pacific island in Tahiti in French Polynesia, Bora Bora is a paradise on Earth. It is enshrined with turquoise lagoons shielded with coral reefs, islets, and overwater bungalows. When you think of scuba diving, Bora Bora must be on your list. Number 8. Blue Ridge Mountains. Found towards the east of the United States and extending 550 miles away, the Blue Ridge Mountains have no shortage of viewpoints. At the Mill Mountain overlook, you can see the Roanoke skyline, shadowed by the mountain from the background. The Roanoke star is stunningly visible, a big luminous, freestanding star. Number 9. The Great Wall of China. Stemming over 2,000 years ago, the Great Wall of China remains an exceptional old construction maverick. It stretches 8,850 kilometers in length, and you are bound to walk for 18 days before you complete its full size. Over the years, several makeovers were applied to the wall, including battlements, watchtowers, and cannons. It was constructed to protect China from the invasive Huns. The wall demystifies the originality of China's great engineers. Number 10. The Avenue of Baobabs, Madagascar. One of the most accessible places to view the baobab trees in Africa is the Avenue of Baobabs, Madagascar, which spans the dirt road between Morondava and Belani to Serra Bahina. The trees are approximately 800 years old and culminate at 30 meters high. This scenery offers an enthralling view during sunset. Number 11. Bagan, Myanmar. Bagan, Myanmar is home to thousands of ancient Buddhist temples and other historical monuments, such as the pagodas. Known for its levitating hot air balloons, visitors can have better aerial views of the city at sunrise. Cultural practices, however, are still revered in Bagan, Myanmar, and they are practiced during the full moon. Number 12. Malau Viaduct. Due to traffic congestion between Paris and Spain, a bridge was suggested to aid easy movement and ease congestion. As a result, Malau Viaduct, the world's tallest bridge, came into existence. It is 343 meters high, offering scintillating aerial views and euphoria. It serves as a yardstick for modern bridges because its multi-span cables anchor it firmly above River Tarn. Number 13. Darvaza Gas Crater, Turkmenistan. Alias Door to Hell, Darvaza Gas Crater is a place of frightening beauty because of the fire, boiling mud, and orange flames that have burned ceaselessly since 1971. At night, it is a place of enchanting beauty, as the bonfires are typically eligible from a distance. It is believed to have occurred after an oil drilling expedition collapsed, thus lighting it intentionally. Number 14. Namib Desert, Namibia. You will be amazed by how distinct the Namib Desert is compared to other deserts, whether during hot or dry seasons. It is a coastal desert in Namibia, a country located in southern Africa. It is hard to understand how beautiful the barren land is until you see it. Wildlife such as elephants, rhinos, and giraffes call the Namib Desert home. The animals are customarily sighted when they advance to their waterholes for cooling at sunset. Number 15. Vadu Island, Maldives. Vadu Island, Maldives is a spectacle bound to leave your jaws agape, especially during the new moon. The seawater has bioluminescence plankton, which attracts microorganisms that emits a glowing blue light chain. This heavenly experience made it named the Sea of Stars. Number 16. Munnar, India. Plantation can reveal its enchanting beauty when it integrates into a well-organized, evenly shaped landscape. Munnar, India is reminiscent of the description. It is a behemoth of a tea farm intertwined with feeder roads, making accessibility easier. At its peak, you will be at the world's highest point in a tea plantation with a view of mist-covered mountains. Number 17. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. When you aim to visit a place with a variety of creatures, you should not overlook Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Encapsulated with 16 colorful lakes and lagoons connected by waterfalls, the national park must be seen to be believed. You will have a handful of activities if you are an avid hiker and relish surfing in electric boats. Be sure to see wild species such as bears, wolves, and deer. Number 18. Serengeti National Park. Serengeti National Park is one of the world's most prominent and gorgeous sceneries. Located in eastern Africa, Tanzania, it is the home of some of the big five wild animals, such as leopards, rhinos, lions, elephants, and buffaloes. The park offers fantastic scenes of animal movements from Tanzania to Kenya. The Great Migration of the wildebeest and zebras occurs between January and March, when the animals move from Serengeti in Tanzania to the Masai Mara in Kenya, marking an approximately 1,900 kilometers movement. Number 19. Miho no Matsubara, Japan. A scenic place in Miho Peninsula, Japan, you will be amazed by the aligning pine trees that cover approximately 7 kilometers. Its beaches are one of a kind, pervaded with rare black sand, which tips to the already gorgeous scenery. This is a must-visit place if you are an enthusiastic global traveler. Number 20. Antarctica. Lastly, the southernmost continent on Earth contains Antarctica, the driest, windiest, and coldest place globally. When you visit the Antarctic Peninsula, you are guaranteed to see historic glaciers and icebergs of different shapes and sizes. It's uninhabited due to its harsh conditions, but is usually a destination for many visitors yearly. All the 20 sceneries above are exciting to visit and experience, as each contains unique attributes unavailable elsewhere. The exceptional features help make the panoramas gorgeous places on Earth. World travelers are encouraged to tour some of these locations to experience and learn about new engineering designs. The different sites offer diversity to travelers, meaning one cannot tire of moving around and experiencing. They depict how perfectly the ground is diversified from amazing artificial creatures to captivating nature. For sure, you will find several places that suit your preference.